everyone. This is my mate Yulai, and he is one of our beautiful red-tailed black cockatoos. So who out here would love to meet Yulai face to face? I'm thinking double hand wave standing snowballs. Now what I need you to do, reach into your wallet and pull me out a $5 note. Yulai, he should see that note and he should know exactly who to fly to. Yulai is going to deliver your receipt via airmail. Now once he does place that in the palm of your hand, just fold a few fingers over it for me. And while it's up there, would you mind opening it up and checking that it's got all the correct details in there?